Hey guys, what's good? So I'm Praveen and this is Meg from Bodyprocoach Fitness. We got something really awesome today, and that's going to be a breakfast option, which means that it's going to be low in calorie, and that's going to be a great option to keep yourself in a great shape, and at the same time look forward to lose more weight. At the same time feel satisfied by having a great meal. So let's go and have a look at the recipe.
So we're doing a Rava vegetable idli.
Yo!
A large mixing bowl, pink Himalayan rock salt, Amul curd, 250 grams of suji, that's Rava, half chopped onion, little chopped capsicum, half grated carrot, little grated cabbage, black pepper, coconut oil. You could also use option olive oil. In a large mixing bowl, we add first chopped onions. Then I'm going to add grated carrot, chopped capsicum, gonna mix it nicely. To this we are going to add chopped cabbage, 250 grams of Rava. Once again mix them nicely and evenly. Last I'm going to add some yogurt. Last I'm going to add some salt and freshly crushed black pepper. You could also add green chilies if you like so. Mixture is ready. We're going to let it settle down for about 10 minutes. Till then, meanwhile, you're going to see how I'm going to set up this for the steam. So to make the idlis, you need a utensil wherein you could steam the idlis. I'm going to pour some water to it. There you go. And I'm going to preheat the water for about 10 minutes so that it comes to a boiling point. First, we are going to grease the utensil so that the idlis can come out nice and easily. Once they're evenly greased, now I'm going to add the idli mixture to this. Top level. Now I'm going to steam the same for about 8 to 10 minutes until they are well done. I'm saying first we are going to put some coconut. Then I'm going to add garlic, paprika powder, little salt, and little water. And our chutney is ready. Okay, so our idlis are done. You're going to take a clear knife. You're going to prick it inside, and if the knife comes out clean, that means they're well cooked and well done. So guys, our Rava vegetable idli is ready. So the difference between this and the normal idli is that it breaks the traditional rice idli, and yes, this is made by coarsely grinding wheat. So it's made from wheat, so it's really healthy, extremely low in calorie, highly fibrous, and a great meal, great snack.
Alright, so we got some coconut chutney, which means that that's going to provide you some great source of fat. Now, overall, if you look at the meal is low in calorie, easily to digest. At the same time, it gets you the amount of carbs, a bit of carbs that you needed, and fat that you needed. So it becomes a complete meal and ideal for breakfast.
So we do 3 videos on information, nutrition, and train to look good naked. So please hit that bell button and subscribe to our videos. Share it with your friends as much as you can. And please love and support us. Thank you so much.
Peace out, guys. Cheers.